and welcome to our Linux commands tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about compression commands. File compression on Linux helps in saving storage. A compressed file can reduce in size by over 50%, making it consume less space than before. For instance, you can cut down the space consumed by a file from 10 GB to at least 5 GB if you use file compression techniques. Here are some commonly used searching commands in Linux. One. tar czvf archive.tar.gz file name, to create a compressed archive. 2. tar xcvf archive.tar.gz, to extract a compressed archive. 3. zip archive.zip, to create a zip archive. 4. unzip archive.zip, to extract a zip archive.